To mount a Sepa cell, you will need a 5/32-inch Allen key, an adjustable crescent wrench, 5 8-inch, 11 16-inch, 13 16-inch, and 7 8-inch wrenches. Insert the half-inch tubes up to 3/8 compression reducer fittings into the inlet and outlet bulkhead. Use a 15 16-inch wrench to hold the base of the bulkhead. Set the ferrules in the nut by giving it 1 1/4 turn with a 7 8-inch wrench. Make sure to do this with both fittings. Next, insert the hose into the feed and concentrate return reducer adapters. A 5 8-inch wrench will hold the adapter fitting in place, while we use an 11 16-inch wrench. Set the ferrule in the top nut by giving it 1 1/4 turn after it is hand tight. Be sure to do this for both fittings. Connect the feed hose and the concentrate return hose into the cell fittings. Make sure the nuts are hand tight. Use a 5 8-inch wrench to hold the bottom of the fittings in place, then give the top nut a 1/4 turn with an 11 16-inch wrench to set the ferrules. Make sure to do this for the inlet and the outlet fittings. Mount the Sepa hand pump to the skid top using the 4 holes at the back. Use a 5/32 Allen key to remove the pre-mounted screw. Reinsert the screw through the corner of the hand pump, and then thread it back into our skid top. Line up the holes roughly in place and tighten that screw next. Take the 3/4 20 screws and nuts that are included with your kit. Start by inserting each screw through each mounting hole on the hand pump and threading the nut on the back side of the mounting panel to secure the screws in place. Hold each nut in place with a 1/2-inch wrench and tighten it with an Allen key. Next, take the end of the hydraulic hose and insert it into the Sepa holder until you hear the click. You're now connected. Cut to length a section of a 1/4-inch polypropylene tubing with a tube cutter. Connect this into the permeate fitting on the Sepa cell by inserting the tube end into the white permeate fitting, tightening the nut by hand, and then inserting the other end into a collection device.